Hey Fan, I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot really quick, just a 2-minute video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select the front plane, oops, start a sketch, and you can just test this out. Go ahead and go to the corner rectangle, draw it out, go ahead and put in the dimension of 3 inches down below here, and 5 inches over here. Now we'll go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. Now it looks like you're able to get this part, but as soon as you apply it, you get the part actually is missing. So a couple things we could do. We could go to View, Hide Show, and let's see. Actually, I think you're okay there. Just make sure bodies is not turned on. All right. Then also you could go over here and try these different formats and see if those work, at least temporarily. Okay. Also over here you could turn off Real View Graphics or try turning it on. Either way. Turn off Shadows and Shaded Mode, maybe. And then you could also go up here, go to the gear if those are unsuccessful. Go to System Options, Performance, go to Image Quality. Actually, you know what? Now let's go back there. Let's see. Turn this off. Use Software OpenGL if you can. Turn that on. Okay, if you're having some difficulty. Maybe try this, turning this on or off, maybe the enhanced graphics performance, not sure. Or finally, after you've hit OK and you've tried to see if this works, just hit a complete reset right here. Here's the reset button, hit OK, maybe close SolidWorks and restart it. But save this part that you've been working on right here before you do that so you can open it up and see if it just comes back. I hope that helps. Otherwise, it could be your graphics card. If you can, I think if you right-click, go to Display Settings, and let's see. Looking right here. So look for what type of graphics card it has. So under Display Information, and let me know what that might be if you're still having problems. All right, well, good luck with that, and let me know